Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, the month of November is here, which means it's just few weeks left to announce the winner for this year's Ballon d'Or award. For many years, this ceremony was turned into the annual Cristiano Ronaldo versus Lionel Messi event. However, this year, it will be very different. Players from numerous clubs and various positions have all been performing in an extraordinary fashion recently, and right now, it is almost impossible to say who will win the coveted trophy on the 29th of November. So here is the last and final power rankings of top 5 candidates for the Ballon d'Or this year. In the 5th position we have Cristiano Ronaldo. The Portuguese international who switched to Manchester United from Juventus made headlines in the summer multiple times. He scored some crucial goals to save his side several times in this season. Ronaldo won the Serie A Golden Boot with Juventus, scoring 29 goals in 33 league games. He also won the Golden Boot at Euro 2020 with 5 goals and 1 assist in 4 appearances. And at the 4th position we have Jorginho. The Italian midfielder who plays for the London side Chelsea had a wonderful last season with both club and country. He was an integral part of the Chelsea side that won the UEFA Champions League and the UEFA Super Cup. Jorginho was also influential in Italy's triumph at Euro 2020. The 29-year-old was also chosen as the UEFA Men's Player of the Year. Although Italy were eliminated in semi-final during their UEFA Nations League campaign, but still Jorginho is a strong candidate. At 3rd position we have Karim Benzema. The French forward is in fantastic form lately and has crucially helped both his club and country, scoring 30 goals in all competition for his club. He even scored a brilliant goal in the final of UEFA Nations League against Spain, hence leading France to capture the title. Benzema has made a significant jump on the ranking this month and has already scored 14 goals for Real Madrid this season. At the 2nd position we have Robert Lewandowski. The Polish striker who plays for the German giant Bayern Munich. He had a tally of 48 goals and 9 assists in 40 appearances across all competitions for the Bayern in the 2020-21 season. He has already scored 21 goals in 16 appearances this season, which is by far the highest number of goals this season. He also scored 3 goals for his country in 3 matches in the UEFA Euro 2020. People also believe that he was robbed of the Ballon d'Or, as the award was cancelled in 2020 in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. And at the 1st position we have none other than Lionel Messi. The Argentine skipper who currently plays for Paris Saint-Germain, after making a dramatic and emotional move from Barcelona this summer. He won the Golden Boot and was picked as the best player as Argentina won the 2021 Copa America. Messi had also won the Pichichi Trophy last term with Barcelona, scoring 30 goals in La Liga. Barcelona didn't play well last season, but they still managed to win the Copa del Rey. In 47 appearances across all competitions in the 2020-21 season, the 34-year-old scored 38 goals and provided 14 assists. He scored 4 goals and provided 5 assists for his Argentina side at the Copa America. Although Messi has not made a significant mark in his PSG career so far, but has scored 3 crucial goals for the Parisian club in their Champions League campaign. By far, Messi and Lewandowski are considered as the strongest competitor this year. But either way, we'll only know the truth on Friday, November 29th, when the ceremony takes place. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.